Hey guys, welcome to the Crumb Cake Kitchen. Today we'll be making chocolate spheres. You can use these to decorate a cake or for a melting chocolate ball dessert. The possibilities are endless. The first thing you'll need is a good quality silicone half sphere mold. I purchased mine on Amazon. I'm making large and small spheres. I'll be using Roxy Enriched Soft Gold and Silver Luster Dust to color the spheres and make them really pop. Using a soft, dry brush, give the inside of each half sphere mold a good coat of luster dust. Make sure to color all the way up to the lip of the mold for the best coverage. When you've achieved good coverage, turn the mold over and give it a tap to get rid of the excess luster dust. I'm making the large spheres in silver, so I'll repeat the same process here. Pour approximately 1 tablespoon of tempered chocolate or candy melts into each half sphere mold. I'm using dark chocolate here. Once the molds have been filled, use a soft, dry paintbrush to gently pull the chocolate up and over the top of the mold. It's easy to make a mistake here and not get enough coverage, so take your time and check the molds from all angles. Remember, your brush must be completely dry because chocolate and water don't mix. Once you're satisfied that you have good coverage, flip the mold over and give it a shake over a mat or parchment to get rid of the excess chocolate. This way you can save the leftovers for another use. Using an offset spatula, scrape the edges of each mold so you have nice, clean edges when you go to join your half spheres later. Repeat this process with each mold. Place the molds upside down on a piece of parchment in the fridge to cure for 30 minutes. Once your chocolate is completely set, place the mat upside down on the table. Applying a gentle pressure to the back of the mat and the sphere, I like to slowly peel back the mat to remove the half spheres. I've tried a couple of different ways, and this is by far the easiest with the least amount of broken spheres. Always make a few more than you need for this reason. Using a small pot that's been heated on the stovetop, touch each half sphere to the pot for a second or two, just until they begin to melt. Bring the sides together and make sure to line them up carefully. Using your finger, gently smooth and remove any excess chocolate. I like to hold on to the sphere for a couple of seconds before I set it down so that it doesn't fall apart. Once the spheres have completely set, you can take a soft, dry brush and touch up any areas where you may have wiped the luster dust away when attaching the sides. There are several different ways to decorate these spheres. Using a mixture of luster dust and Everclear, you could paint brush strokes inside the molds before adding the chocolate. I often add gold leaf to the completed sphere. There you have it. These chocolate spheres not only look beautiful, but they taste delicious too. If you choose to use a luster dust to color your spheres, make sure to choose an edible one. For more detailed tutorials like this one, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and select the bell for future notifications. As always, thank you for watching.